Try to call. We try to call Paul for checkmates. No.
No, Papa.
I already did that.
You say you don't need to?
No.
Call Papa.
That's what I'm trying to do.
More important than anything, call Chuck Welch.
That's what I'm trying to do. Look.
That's so smart, right? Hey, you okay?
Yeah.
You're crying?
No. Ain't that much. How you doing? Oh, not too much. Felt good outside lately. Yeah, it gave me the chills and everything, but it was good. I had to wear a hoodie. I'll take that any day. 60s. 6. Yeah. Did you go there today? No. Yeah. Tomorrow's a holiday. No. But it's a federal day, right? No, Paul said it was. He thought it was Juneteenth or something. Yeah. No. Yeah. State or federal, something like that, yeah. No. They don't do too much.
Coffee.
Yeah.